Hey everybody, Bard here from Dark Age Productions. So, what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you how to seal your wax pack wrappers. And I'll be sealing up packs of the Dungeon Synth Trading Card Series 1. So, I've got a box of collated trading cards all set up, ready to be packed. You can fit about 100 in a business card box. If you ever order business cards, don't throw it away if you're going to do trading cards, because you can use it to collate your sets. So, now, my packs, or my design here, is not dark. So you can easily see it through the paper on a white table. If you have a darker design, like it's all black with dark red letters or something, you'll want to get a LED light panel. I got this for like $9 at Walmart. It's sold for kids, but it works great for this and for refining your sketch into a well inked design on paper if you're an artist. It's very nice to have. But if you've got a dark design, lay it on here. You can easily see where to put your cards at. Lay it down on the side you plan on folding first. I'm folding the Dark Age Productions website panel first, with the series promotional tag on the other side going to be on the top. So I'm going to lay it down, put your cards in roughly the center. It's not going to be perfect. Fold it over. Now you can use your finger to do this whole thing, or you can just use your finger to get it started and use a bone folder, which makes for nicer folds. They're tighter. Just fold it down at a little angle. Pinch it a little bit. Drag your folder over. You've got your top flap there. Now you've got three options for sealing your packs. You can use an iron, which most people have at home. So you can use that. Make sure you figure out what setting to use. Mine is around 2. Because you don't want it too hot. You burn your paper and seal all the flaps. You don't really want to seal all your flaps. You just want to seal it to close it. So you can use an iron. And you don't want to iron on your panel there. You can use your iron. Just hold it. Use the tip of it. Press it down. Sealed. You've got yourself a wax pack. It's sealed. And here's some other ways you can seal it. I'm not using the light panel because moving everything around is a big pain in the butt. And I can see what I'm doing, so I don't need it. I'll turn the light back on so you guys can see what I'm doing. Just crimp it. Pick up your folder. Now you can see why I don't offer to do this for other people. It's enough doing it for my sets. I'm not going to do this for everybody. Now, I will print them for you. If you need these printed, go on the website. You can place an order for anywhere from 25 to 250 custom printed wrappers. I'll send them to you printed and cut, ready for you to do the sealing yourself. I'm not sealing them for you. Now, this is something I came across in my garage is a variable temperature wood burning pen. And what I've got on the end of it is a 3/4 inch round flat spot, I think is what it's called. And just rub it, after you've heated it up, rub it on cardboard so you make sure it's nice and clean. And you can, I've got mine set at the very top end of the lowest setting. And you just run it right in the center and it's sealed right there. Very easy. Now another way you can do this, if you don't want to play around with a iron or that, is you can use rubber cement to seal your packs. I'm not going to do that at all, but I'll show you that you can do it. You just take some Elmer's glue here. I'm not doing this for production of my packs. This is only one to show you that you can do it. Now rubber cement is nice because when it dries it can be completely removed from the paper by rubbing. That seals it too. This is the only one that's ever going to be done like that, but you can do it if you don't want to mess with heat and stuff. Also, if you want to make sure your wrappers are never even messed up at all, use rubber cement because you can rub that right off the paper and then it'll look like, well, it'll still be wrinkly. But that's how it works, kids. If you're interested in it, check out the website, waxwrappers.com, and get some wax wrappers. Thank you for watching.